Hi, health insurance is no longer just a safety net. It is one of the most crucial decisions that one would take in his life. Today, let's unpack why HDFC Ergo's Optima Secure still remains a cornerstone for health insurance in India. And why is it still relevant in the year 2026? And what makes it stand out from its peers? Hi, my name is Akshay Bansal, your trusted insurance advisor. Founded in the year 2002, the joint venture between HDFC Bank and Munich Reinsurance is trusted for financial backbone and global expertise. But in the year 2020, when HDFC decided to increase its stake in Apollo Munich and later on merging Apollo Munich into HDFC Ergo's umbrella, changed everything. With almost 95% claim settlement ratio over the years and a very strong solvency ratio of 1.68, HDFC Ergo is the name for stability. Coming on to the core benefits of this tried and tested insurance plans. Secure benefit. It doubles your sum insured from day one. So let's say you have taken a 10 lakh insurance. Your insurance automatically is considered to be a 20 lakh insurance from the day one itself. Then you have the plus benefit. Plus benefit works as a cumulative bonus, and you get 50% of the bonus in the second year and then another 50% of the bonus of the base sum insured in the third year, effectively making a 10 lakh policy into a 30 lakh policy. Interesting part about the plus benefit is that even if you make a claim in between, the bonus is not reduced. Next, you have the restoration benefits. Restoration benefits kick in once you partially exhaust the base sum insured. In fact, the Optima Secure is one of the only plans in the industry where the restoration would kick in at the partial exhaustion of the base sum insured. Then, there is no room rent capping and there is no sublimit on the ICU room usage. Moreover, your consumables gets covered in the plan automatically. Annual health checkups are included in the policy for the subsequent year. Pre and post hospitalization are capped at 60 days and 180 days. Organ donation is automatically covered. Domiciliary hospitalization is covered. Ayush treatments are covered. Now coming on to what makes the plan actually different. What adds the spice to the plan. These are the add-ons that HDFC offers. The first add-on is the maternity or the parenthood add-on. This add-on allows the insured to avail 2 lakh rupees worth of benefits, which is beyond the range of the sum insured. The next add-on is the ABCD chronic care add-on. The chronic care add-on allows the insured to reduce the waiting period of 4 chronic illnesses, namely asthma, blood pressure, cholesterol, and diabetes to mere 30 days instead of the regular waiting period of 36 months. The next interesting add-on is the limitless add-on. It allows the insured to avail sum insured beyond the basic sum insured of the policy in case of any requirement. A caveat to note out here is that if you remove this add-on from the policy, it cannot be added again back into the same policy. Now coming on to the unlimited restoration add-on. The unlimited restoration add-on, as the name suggests, provides you unlimited restoration at subsequent hospitalizations. The next add-on is the Optima Wellbeing or the OPD add-on. This add-on allows you to get unlimited doctor consultations from a curated list that has been prepared by HDFC. You can download this list from the link below. Alternatively, you can find this list from HDFC Ergo's website. Next, we have the critical illness cover, which is a fixed benefit insurance. And then again, you have the hospital cash allowances. A way to reduce the burden of premiums is by taking aggregate deductibles. Aggregate deductible allows you to avail discounts up to 65% on your premiums. But a caveat out here to note is that if you opt for an aggregate deductible before the age of 50, it can still be removed before the age of 60. But in case you opt for this aggregate deductible after the age of 50, it is unlikely that you will be able to remove this deductible option. Coming on to the waiting periods, there are 3 primary waiting periods. The first one is the standard waiting period of 30 days in which only accidents are covered. Then you have the 24-month waiting period under which specific treatments are not covered. You will see the list of specific treatments on your screen. And then you have the 36-month waiting period for pre-existing diseases. Common exclusions include illegal activities, infertility treatment, hazardous sports, and other common exclusions. You can refer the policy TNC. Based on the last data presented by IRDAI for the financial year 2023-24, HDFC Ergo has an ICR of around 81%. The solvency ratio is of 1.68%. The average growth in the premium collection is around 14%, while if I talk about the total premium collected, it is around 65,000 crores. Now let's see why this data is important. ICR represents the percentage of premiums paid out as claims. A healthy ICR shows the company balances claim payouts with profitability, meaning it is financially stable and able to honor claims while continuing operations smoothly. HDFC Ergo's strong ICR signals good claim payout sustainability. Solvency ratio. A solvency ratio above the regulatory threshold of 1.5 reflects strong financial reserves and the ability to meet claim obligation even under stressed circumstances. This payout protects policyholders from insurer default risk. Now let's compare how the premium looks like for a family of 4 in Delhi or Mumbai, in Hyderabad, in Bangalore and in Kolkata. The claim processing from HDFC Ergo for us has been a very user-friendly experience. The normal TAT for cashless hospitalization is generally around 4 hours. But in one of our instances, we have seen that this claim was settled in less than 1 hour. The reimbursement process is also quite easy. Here are the steps where one can go for easy reimbursements through the self-help portal on the website itself. Or they can download the HDFC Ergo Here app and start the claim process. Point to be noted for submission of reimbursement claims is that you must have the original discharge summary, all the original bills that must be arranged in an organized way, along with all the diagnostic reports, your X-ray or MRI films. A complete folder needs to be uploaded while going for the reimbursement. If this is the plan that suits your need, then schedule a call with us today from the links given below. To get more smart insights, follow the Money Plan Project.